automatic Allison transmission with electric shift PTO, work light switch. We got two spares in the front, one on the side. We have the Canyon, and one in the rear and one in the left. So simply, right now the truck is on the running neutral, parking brake is on. We'll go ahead and just turn on PTO, open up any of the sprayers. It's gonna open up the front and just give it some throttle. And that's how you basically will operate any of the sprayers being in neutral. Once we go to the mobile mode, we're simply gonna go to drive. In this case, we're gonna have to make sure that the truck is released from parking brake. We're in drive, and we're gonna do our video in first gear. If first gear is too of a slow mode for you to drive, you can always shift up to second gear. But we're gonna do our video in first gear just to get 100% of the pump. It's just depending on your needs, demonstrating all the outside levers that are working properly. And also, whenever you turn on your PTO, make sure the valve stays on. Turn off PTO and then turn off the valve, just to basically not to leave any pressure in the system. That way we have everything running out also. So we'll demonstrate this in the next video.